Let me ask you a question. What is the first website or application that comes into your mind when you want to watch any sorts of videos? I can bet that the first answer that popped into your mind was YouTube. And in fact, I can even bet a larger sum that you're on YouTube right now because you're watching this video. Well, what if I told you that you can start earning cash and get paid directly to your PayPal account just by watching YouTube videos for free? Watching one video will earn you $3. Do you know what watching merely 10 videos will get you? That's right, $30 for just watching 10 videos on YouTube. And if you watch more videos than that, then I can guarantee you that you can earn much, much more. Now listen carefully. You can repeat this technique over and over again to generate the most amount of money, but you have to follow every step that I will walk you throughout this video. The best part about this method, aside from the fact that it is easy and simple, is that you don't have to shell out any money or pay any subscription fees to get started. You can also do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a mobile device and access to internet connection that's stable enough for you to watch videos online, and you're good to go. I also have an exclusive tip for you at the end of this video. So, if you're interested, just keep on watching. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you have questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is secure an account on YouTube. Don't worry, I know that most of you already have YouTube accounts because you're watching this video straight from YouTube itself. So if you already have an account, you can skip this step. But just in case some of our viewers don't have their accounts yet, I can guide you through this process. First, go to youtube.com. On the upper right corner of the homepage, you will see a button that says Sign In. Just click on the button, and as I've said, you can immediately sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account by using your Google email or Gmail username and password. Like I said, signing up on YouTube is totally free, so you can be assured that there's no need for you to shell out money. Now, once you are logged into your YouTube account, you will notice that the best rated and most watched videos are on the tabs on the left side of the page. Every video from any category you can think of will be available to you, from music to entertainment to news and down to gaming. There are so many categories to choose from on YouTube. You won't ever get bored of doing this money-making method. I'll show you the rest of the steps in a bit. But for now, I'd like to ask you, what kinds of videos do you usually watch on YouTube? Personally, I watch a lot of money and finance related ones, such as this video, so that I can show you guys more techniques to grow your earning potential. But sometimes I like watching gaming videos as well to entertain myself. How about you? Comment your answers in the comment section below. Now back to the video. In order to actually start making money, I want you to go to this website, 7or6.com. This website is basically a platform that many people use to shorten their URLs. But here's the thing, not only do they shorten links, but every time a person clicks on the special link that you have shortened, you will get paid directly to your PayPal account. It's actually a very simple technique, and I'll show you bonus tips on how to increase your earnings in a little while. So first, you have to create an account on 7or6.com in order for them to start sending you money. To do that, just click on the sign up button on the top right corner of the homepage. They will ask for basic details such as a username, an email, and a password. Then you just have to tick the checkbox that says you agree to their terms and conditions, and your account is good to go. Don't worry, creating an account on 7or6 is also completely free, just like on YouTube. Once your account is set, you can start shortening YouTube URLs and start earning money. Here's my first bonus tip. Gaming videos are so hot right now. In fact, they have so much appeal that many people on the internet will tend to click on those gaming links. So, as much as you can, I want you to shorten the YouTube URLs of gaming videos and share them to gaming forums whose niche are these particular games. Before we continue, I want to ask you, my dear viewers, if any of you are gamers. If so, what games do you enjoy the most? What games do you like least? Comment down your answers below, as I would like to hear from you. If you're done commenting, let's get back to the video. So to shorten the link of a YouTube video, go to any interesting video you can find. Like I said, gaming videos are the best ones to choose from, as they are easy to spread around and get more clicks. Upon choosing a video, click this button right here that looks like an arrow, which will let you copy the link of the video. Once you've copied the link, go back to 7r6.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account, because this will only work if you have your account. On your dashboard, click New Shorten Link and paste the copied link to the field here. The alias is what will appear in the shortened URL, so it must be interesting enough to catch people's attention. Another bonus tip: try using striking words like awesome or amazing in the alias to describe the gameplay. You can disregard the expiration date here, as putting an expiry date will lessen your earning potential. Once the URL has been shortened, you can start sharing it everywhere. Bonus tip number 3 is this: share the links in another platform. The platform I want to share with you is steamcommunity.com. Steam is a website that is popular for gamers, so sharing links related to gaming and streaming will sell like hotcakes here. On Steam, go to the Discussions tab and then click on Game Forums. Based on whatever game you choose to shorten its link, search for the game name on the forums and you will see a lot of them there, freely discussing the game. As I've said, use interesting aliases like Awesome Valorant Play or Exciting Among Us Deception in your shortened URLs for you to get more clicks and earn more cash. Then just repeat this process with other games and you can earn up to $100 per day, depending on how many shares and clicks your links get. Now here's my last bonus tip of the day for you. Look for other forums on the internet that are specific to a game. So for example, the YouTube video that you will share is about Valorant. Look for Valorant forums on the internet and you will see several sites will show up. Post the shortened URLs there as well to increase your earning potential. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.